Yes, another one of these videos. Okay, yeah, it's basically the same thing. But, yeah, so I put in an image and, this is the result. Alright, so I'm going to download this. Hold it, guys. Alright, so I'm gonna go put in another image. What about this one? What happens when we put that image here? I really need to know. The results may vary. Results may vary, guys. Alright, let's show you. I'm gonna save that again. Alright, so I'm gonna do another one. This time. What happens if we put in this one again? I want to know what happens. Because it's bound to be interesting. This one's not gonna be the last one because it's telling us to log in because apparently one of these sites that makes you allowed to turn images into sound needs you to either have a subscription or or sign in. But why? Alright. No, we get something way different. And if we can do one more, I'll put in the Giganotosaurus one. Almost a whole minute. Oh, I think it's just repeating itself. Okay, give me a second. Now we're gonna see if we can do one more. Maybe just this one last one. We're gonna see if we can do one more. Highly doubt it. Yeah, it looks like and the reason why I don't do this is because one, for some reason it's very hard to do it. And they said we're gonna have to send you a code in order to do this, but no. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.